Namaste. Revision of direct taxation for CA final at Bharadwaj Institute by me, Sreevatson, a chartered accountant. Well, the revision classes are with an exclusive eye for examination. The purpose is simple: scoring 60 plus in this particular paper, which will enable you for getting the aggregate, getting the rank. So the revision classes will have an exclusive revision material. All the questions will be worked out in the classroom, and along with it an answer will be provided. Classes are physical as well as live online. Physical classes are only for students who have completed 2 doses of vaccination. Miss not these revision sessions where the law and the examination oriented question are going to be discussed in a fashion that you will understand the nuances of answering the examination questions. All the RTPs will be considered in the revision material, and also amendments. A separate session of amendment lectures are also available. Amendments will also be touched upon in the revision session. Miss not the revision session at Bharadwaj Institute on direct taxation, and remember, as an institute social responsibility, these revision lectures come to you free of cost, and also these will be available in the open platform for students to view and get benefited. Direct taxation is one of the most interesting, dynamic, and also a scoring subject. We will prove it in the revision sessions. All the very best.